Dear student, welcome. I am B. V. Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalaya, Uttur. Today we discuss about standard ninth subject maths part 1 chapter first, and chapter name is sets. Definition of sets: if definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. For example, days of a week. In this collection, we definitely and clearly say that there are 7 days, and also we tell the name of the days. Therefore, that collection is a set. We see next example: brilliant students of the class. Here we cannot say that which student is brilliant definitely and clearly, because to be brilliant is differ from person to person. Therefore, that collection is not a set. Generally, set is denoted by capital letters A, B, C up to Z. The elements of set denoted by small letters A, B, C, D up to Z. Here, one element A is an element of set A. It is denoted by A belongs to A. Belongs to sign indicate A is consist in set A, and read as A belongs to A. Then second element A is not an element of set A. It is denoted by A does not belongs to A, and read as A does not belongs to A, or A is not an element of set A. Some set of numbers we see here. First, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite numbers, and that collection is a set of natural numbers. Capital N indicate for natural numbers. Then second, W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinite numbers, and that collection is a set of whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted by capital W. Then third, capital I. In that collection, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, and on LHS side -1, -2, -3 up to infinite numbers, and that collection is a set of integers. Then fourth, capital Q is a set of rational numbers, and capital R is a set of real numbers. Methods of writing sets. First method, listing method or roster method. Second, rule method or builder method. First method we discuss here, listing method or roster method. There are some steps for this method. First step, write all elements of a set in curly bracket. First step is write all elements but in curly bracket. Second, write each element only once and separated by commas. Here condition is each element write only one time and separated by comma. Third step, the order of an element is not important. Order is not important. Any order we write here. This is the listing method or roster method. Example, write the following sets using listing method. First example, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. We write this set in listing method. Set denoted by capital letter A and prime numbers which are include in 1 to 20. First prime number is 2. Prime number means that number which factors, no any factor except 1 and itself means prime number. Then next prime number is 3. Then 4 is not a prime number because factors of 4, 2 into 2. These are the factors, therefore that is not prime number. Then next 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. This is the listing method. We see another example. Letters in the word remember. In solution, set denoted by capital letters is equal to, in curly bracket, first word of remember, first letter of remember is R. Then we write comma, second letter is E. We write here and comma, third letter is M, fourth letter E, but we cannot write here because E we already write. Repeated only one time we write here. Then M, next letter we already write here. Next letter is B. B we write here. Then next letter is E, but already we write E here. Then next letter is R. R also we write here. Therefore R, E, M, B. These are the listing methods solution. Any element we cannot write repeatedly. Then second method, rule method or builder method. There are some steps for rule method. First, do not write the list of the element. Here we cannot write list. Then second, write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon. Third step is write the property of the variable. These are the steps for rule method. Here, for example, Here one set write in rule method. A is equal to, in curly bracket, variable x we consider here, then vertical line or colon we write here, then variable x belongs to n. N means, tell here, n means natural number, and that x variable greater than 1 and less than 10, that is the rule method. And that set read as set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 to 10, and its listing method is A is equal to, we write numbers, x is greater than 1 and less than 10 means number greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, because 10 is not, can't write here because less than 10. Here listing method also and rule method also we see here. Then example, write the following sets using rule method. A is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. That set we write in rule method. In solution, A is equal to x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers, therefore we write here. Dear student, you like my video, then please give like to video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.